All right, back here on Williams 72. Got load tester set up. One thing Scotty brought to my attention yesterday, as you can see, it's been venting.
Did I drop what yesterday?
A little bit. You were discussing the little bit of battery acid here on the battery.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yeah, I borrowed your thing, just so you know.
Oh, yeah, no, you're fine, dude. You're fine, no
Your
worries.
thing.
Ooh.
Most people.
Did you at least put it back where it belongs?
In a twink?
Well, you know, hey, it is what it is.
Oh, God. Anyway, so yes, you were talking about how this was venting yesterday.
Yes.
So I figured I'd bring that up.
Okay.
Let's do the load test. 750 cold cranking amps. All right.
So I can't see the tag on the battery.
5 of 21.
Ooh.
Yeah, for a car that lives out here, that's getting on borderline.
Yeah, it's already at...
2.
Yep.
Yep. There
Had
it
a
is.
feeling.
Dead cell.
Stop.
No, that's normal. That's what these do. I know that's like fairly new and you've only used it like twice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a coil of wire in there that's resistant, and it heats up and it smokes. After it does it a while, then it don't do it no more.
Well, if I use mine all the time too, I would smoke as well, but...
That's
you know.
chafing. That's different.
Oh, yeah, well, that's true.
But that causes smoke if it's rough.
This is true.
Anyway, so we definitely got
A weak battery.
weak battery, weak capacity, because it's fully charged.
Yeah.
And
But I mean, you can...
Our voltage is dead on.
Yeah, but you can see the acid. It's all around.
All right, so as we suspected, so this is also a potential issue.
Yes.
For our turn signals. Fun. All right.
But
getting to the bottom of things.
That being
You like getting
said,
the bottoms,
yes,
right?
I do. That being said, I would personally have to say this is my favorite Mustang next to Eleanor. Being 100% honest, I really like this car.
I like these better than this body style.
I agree. Now, don't get me wrong. This is absolutely stunning, and Joey's been an amazing customer. But those of you that know Mustangs should know who I'm talking about when I say Eleanor.
Yes. Well, which... Wait. Which Gone in 60 Seconds? The real one or that BS nonsense with
no, it wasn't a BS nonsense.
Nick Cage?
It was a good movie.
No.
They chose a good car to use. Now, hold on. The filming was,
Nick Cage is
in my
horrible.
personal opinion, a little inadequate. But the original one
Is fantastic.
was done partially in Rochester, New York, and also Dunkirk, New York, which is where I was born and raised.
But then most of it was done like in Long Beach.
Correct. But now here's the funny part. For those of you that don't know, a little bit of Mustang trivia. When Gone in 60 Seconds was made,
The real
they
one or the
had
crappy
the real
one?
They had no permits to do the movie.
Yeah,
None.
That made it better.
So when the scene that they hit a telephone pole and it takes off, it really happened. And
Somebody got fined later.
oh yeah, but they never had permits for the movie, which is amazing.
You never had permits for your movies.
Says who?
Ooh, daddy. Anyway, so as we suspected,
Yeah. We both kind of
Weak
knew that it was.
battery.
Yeah.
dead cell. We kind of knew this was going. So that's Victor's doorbell for his front door.
Oh, sorry, I've got really good hearing all of a sudden
You
lately.
don't have really good hearing.
Huh? Who are you?
You have selective hearing.
Oh, that's still really good hearing.
Anyway, all right, so we know what we got.
Yep.
So I'll get one of these coming. That way then I can proceed forward.
Yep. So,
Proceed.
since I'm the shop manager, get back to work.
Hey,
It's
I'm
for
gonna-
horses.
I'm firing myself.
Only if I can fire myself and go home.
No, you have to work till noon, lunchtime on the day of your funeral. But so do I. Maybe
Fair
we'll
enough,
luck out.
But I'm going to give my passwords and everything to everybody so that the once I pass, somebody can go on my Facebook and say, thank you all for showing up. It was great. Can somebody undig me as I want another beer? I guarantee you, there's no doubt in my mind, the last words out of my mouth are going to be, hold my beer.
Yeah,
I
probably.
guarantee it.
So, all right, battery, gonna get it coming. That's easy, quick, easy, painless. Get that here. Then we might have enough amperage to do what we need.